Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a LG Stylo 4 and you have an issue where you have a black screen or basically the screen won't turn on. I'm going to give you guys a bunch of solutions to get you up and running right now. So make sure you just follow each step until your phone is up and running, okay? So obviously this one here is fixed, but let's just pretend I have a black screen here, okay? So the first thing I want you guys to do is this. I want you to force your LG Stylo 4 to restart. It's a two-key combination. It's the volume down button and power button. We want to press and hold both buttons at the same time. Do not let go until we see the LG logo appear on the screen, then let go of both buttons, all right? So let's go ahead and do this together. Again, let's pretend my screen is totally black here. Volume down, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Don't worry about what's happening to my screen. Let's pretend I have a black screen. I have no idea what's going on right now. I'm still holding on both buttons, waiting for a LG Stylo logo to appear. There it is. Go ahead and let go. Wait for it to boot back up, and hopefully you guys are back in business. Now, if it's still not working, you still have a black screen, then the next solution I want you to do is this. Go ahead and grab your power cable, and what I want you to do is I want you to plug it in, and I want you to go ahead and let your Stylo 4 here, I want you to go ahead and let it charge. So plug it in, let it charge for 1 minute, okay? Pretend my phone is black here. After 1 minute is up, leave it plugged in, leave it charging, and now do the same thing. We're going to force it to restart. Volume down, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Pretend my screen is black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm still holding on both buttons, hoping that I see an LG logo appear. Still holding on both buttons. There's the logo right there. Go ahead and let go. And now you guys should be up and running. Now, if you're not, we're going to go to the next step here. All right, so for this next method here, what we're going to do is we're basically going to massage the screen and the back, okay? Now you can go, I want you to use 2 thumbs, and what I want you to do is press on the screen like this. You want to press kind of hard, okay? You can do this if you don't want smudges. You can always get like a paper towel or like a napkin or just a regular towel. And what you want to do is just press. I'll do it with my thumbs here. Press. Pretend my screen is black here, and just press everywhere on the screen like this. And you want to give a little bit force, okay? Because a lot of times what happens is like a slight dislodge or a slight like disconnection of one of the connections, it can cause the black screen too. And a lot of times when you do this, all of a sudden you know it's just going to pop back on. Anyways, do this all over the front screen. You want to take your time, then you want to flip it over, and you want to do the same thing even near the lens up here, all over, even near the fingerprint scanner, all entire back. You want to give it some pressure, keep pushing. Then after you do that, go ahead and try it again, okay? Volume down, power button. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Continue to hold until we see that Apple logo. Okay, still holding. I don't know what's happening to my screen. Pretend my screen is black. Just holding it. There's the LG logo. Now I'm going to let go. Now hopefully you guys are back up and running. Now the thing is, if you guys are still down, the next thing I want you to do this, okay? And I call this the tapping method. Go ahead and grab your phone, and what I want you to do is, you can use 1 or 2 fingers, but basically what I want you to do is just tap all around the phone, all around the screen here, even on the top, the bezel part, I want you to tap. Sometimes you kind of have to go crazy, okay? Tap all the way around. Turn it over, same thing here, okay? You want to tap all in the back here, all over. Keep on going. Flip it over and do a forced restart. Remember, volume down, power. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see a LG logo appear. Then let go, okay? Now, hopefully you guys are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next method here. So the next method here I call the smacking method. And why? Because we're going to smack it. What I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and bring out the palm of your hand like this. And I want you to smack all over the back and on the screen, okay? We'll start off with the back here, okay? We'll do the top. You want to smack it. Also, you want to smack on the bottom of the back. And now you want to do the same thing on top, okay? The screen, top of the screen. You also want to do the bottom of the screen. After that, go ahead and force it to restart. Remember, press and hold, volume down, power. Press and hold until you see the LG logo appear. Then go ahead and let go. Now you guys should be up and running. Now the thing is, if you guys are still down, what you can do is you can do a factory reset, or what I would suggest is do every single step. Try it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more times until you're actually up and running. Now the thing is, if you tried it 6 times, every single step in this video, and it's still not working, then the next thing I want you to do is Grab your phone just like this, go to your refrigerator. I want you to put it in the freezer, not the refrigerator, put it in the freezer. Just put it in the freezer somewhere and let it sit there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out your cold phone, and now when you do the same thing, you want to force it to restart. Volume down, power button, press and hold. Do not let go until you see the Apple logo appear. Then go ahead and let go, and then you guys should be up and running. If you tried the freezer method once and it didn't work, try it again. Instead of 10 minutes, leave it in there for 15 minutes. Doesn't work, leave it in there for 20 minutes, take it out and do the same thing. Anyways, by the end of this video, most of you guys are going to be up and running. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what step worked for you. If it didn't work, give me a thumbs down so everybody can see. Good luck.